What if I told you that one of the most powerful natural substances for male performance has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? And what if I told you that the way you use it, placing it on your tongue and letting it absorb before swallowing, could dramatically change how fast and effectively it works? Most men completely overlook this, and yet the science behind it is fascinating. Before we dive in, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, share this with someone who needs to know, and leave a comment about whether you've ever tried using honey for energy or performance. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Honey isn't just sugar. That's the biggest misconception out there. Reducing honey to just sugar is like saying a symphony is just a bunch of notes. Raw, unprocessed honey contains over 200 bioactive compounds, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, flavonoids, polyphenols, and each type of honey has a slightly different profile depending on the flowers the bees visited. Buckwheat honey, manuka honey, cedar honey. Each can have unique effects on your body. The reason honey is particularly relevant for male health comes down to one molecule, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and expand. Without it, blood can't flow where it needs to go, no matter how much desire or stimulation you have. And here's the kicker. Certain compounds in honey, especially flavonoids and phenolic acids, don't just support nitric oxide production, they protect it from breaking down too quickly. That means honey boosts production and prolongs its effect, a combination that's rare in natural substances. But honey does even more. It's packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the main causes of endothelial dysfunction. When your blood vessels can't dilate properly because of oxidative damage, performance suffers. Honey tackles this problem from multiple angles, improving blood flow while protecting the vessels themselves. Men who include antioxidant-rich foods like honey in their diet often notice better circulation, improved energy, and even enhanced stamina during physical activity. Now here, where things get really interesting, how you consume honey changes everything. Putting honey directly on your tongue and letting it dissolve for 30 to 60 seconds allows it to absorb through the tissues in your mouth, a process called sublingual absorption. This is the same principle used by fast-acting medications. Compounds absorbed this way bypass the digestive system and liver, entering your bloodstream almost immediately. When you swallow honey with food, it takes a long route: stomach, digestive acids, intestines, liver, then finally into circulation, and some beneficial compounds are lost along the way. Letting it sit on your tongue creates a direct highway for its bioactive compounds. Here's the simple way to do it. Take about a teaspoon of raw, unprocessed honey, spread it across your tongue, press it gently against the roof of your mouth, let it dissolve slowly, and then swallow the rest. Doing this 30 to 45 minutes before you want enhanced blood flow or vitality allows the compounds to start working faster. Not all honey is created equal. Grocery store honey is usually heated, filtered, and processed, which destroys many of the delicate compounds. That perfectly smooth honey in a plastic bottle, it has likely lost much of its nutritional power. Raw, unfiltered honey preserves enzymes, flavonoids, traces of pollen, and propolis. Some types are particularly potent for male health. Buckwheat honey is dark and antioxidant-rich. Manuka honey contains flavonoids that support cardiovascular function. Cedar honey has been traditionally used for male vitality. Chestnut honey packs dense polyphenols, and forest honey is mineral-rich. If you can't get specialty honey, local raw honey from a trusted beekeeper is an excellent alternative. Timing and consistency are crucial. Taking honey on an empty stomach or at least 2 hours after eating seems to improve absorption. Regular small doses work better than occasional large amounts. Many men find taking a tablespoon in the morning and another in the evening provides steady benefits. And honey works even better when combined with other natural substances. Mix it with raw cacao for flavonols that support blood vessels, with ginger for circulation, with true cinnamon for blood sugar balance and vascular health, or even a touch of black seed oil for reproductive support. Now some of you are probably thinking about blood sugar. Yes, honey contains natural sugars, but its effects are much more favorable than refined sugar. Its glycemic index is moderate, and the bioactive compounds can improve insulin sensitivity. For most healthy men, 1 or 2 tablespoons a day won't cause problems. If you have diabetes or significant insulin resistance, consult a healthcare professional before making changes. The benefits of honey aren't just short-term. Regular intake can support overall cardiovascular health, improve cholesterol ratios, reduce inflammation, and may even support healthy testosterone production. Minerals like zinc, selenium, and boron in honey contribute to hormonal balance, helping your body maintain energy, libido, and stamina. Over time, these small effects compound, boosting not just performance but overall vitality. And this isn't a new discovery. Ancient civilizations have been using honey for male health for thousands of years. In Egypt, honey was considered a gift from the gods and prescribed for male vigor. Traditional Chinese medicine used honey to support kidney energy, which governs reproductive function. Ayurveda calls honey a yoga vahi, a carrier that enhances the absorption of other beneficial compounds. Islamic medical texts recommend honey for male capabilities, and even Greek and Roman physicians prescribed it to newlyweds to enhance fertility, the origin of the term honeymoon. Across cultures, completely independent traditions noticed similar effects. So how do you bring this into your daily routine? Start with high-quality raw honey. Begin with a teaspoon if you're not used to it and gradually increase to a tablespoon. Be patient and consistent. It can take weeks to see the full benefits. Watch not just your performance, but also your energy, mood, and general vitality. They often improve alongside sexual function. Store honey at room temperature in a dark place. Crystallization is normal and indicates quality. Just warm it gently in water if you want it liquid again. The simple act of placing raw honey on your tongue and letting it absorb is an elegant convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science. It's enjoyable, accessible, and genuinely effective. This is one of those rare instances where something that tastes amazing also works in your favor. Before we wrap up, hit like, subscribe, share this with a friend, and leave a comment about whether you've tried honey this way before. I want to hear your results. Remember, this isn't a miracle cure, but it's a natural, science-backed strategy that can support your blood flow, energy, and male performance in a way very few people take seriously, and it's been sitting in your kitchen the whole time.